Hello guys, I am Zayan KidsTv. You can see outside weather is very good, and you can see the raining is also. And I have to do request from the government that these roads are very bad, and of this rain, government can service the roads, and just like some cities and some homes, there are a lot of water, and please take out that water. I request from government that take out the water. And look, the roads have very much trash. Clean this also. Because of this, whole Karachi is looking very bad, and it has very much trash. So my video ended here, so please like, subscribe and share.